I'd like to start this video off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor, preferably one that knows a thing or two about crypto. Now, I'm going to keep this pretty simple. I'm just going to go over price action in three levels here. Or maybe a couple more than that. I don't know. Let's just take a look here. You can see that Bitcoin has been basically trading sideways, slightly upwards, but sideways for the past couple of weeks. Now, ever since the halving, we've been actually putting in higher lows, and we've actually put in higher highs. So technically, we are still on an uptrend. However, I'd say we are consolidating, because, well, we have a major resistance and a major support getting ready to converge here in about 2 weeks. So that's telling me that we should be expecting a major breakout, whether that be upward or downward. It's going to be a major breakout. The downward won't likely be as major because, well, over the past 3 years we've been stuck in this macro level downtrend, and this may end up just being a correction of the uptrend that we started ever since the cliff dive in March. And if we do break this downward support, if we do break this support and head downward, we will likely head towards 8,600, maybe get a bounce there, maybe break it. But the lowest I would see us going is roughly $8,000, maybe 7,700 at the most, because there is a lot of volume traded here, and, well, this is one of the strongest levels of support that we have around us, according to the VPVR, and the 200 daily moving average is in this area as well. Now, if we break in the upwards direction, it would likely be a different story as to the amount of momentum behind this breakout, considering this breakout would be a trend reversal on a macro level. It would be a breakout of a 3-year long downtrend. Everybody who knows technical analysis has been watching this $10,500 level for a while now, because it's the last macro level high that we put in, and that was back in mid-February, before we ended up taking our cliff dive there. 10,500 has been the level to beat according to most technical analysts. So if we do in fact break 10,500, that's going to signal to a lot of people that we are, in fact, having a macro level trend reversal. And this could be the start of the next, well, technically, we could have already started the bull run that leads us to our new higher highs, breaking $20,000 or whatever, but some people need confirmation, and $10,500 is that confirmation to most people that we are in fact starting our next bull run. So if there's anything that you get out of this video, it is the fact that you should be watching the $10,500 area. If we break $10,500, be ready to go on a ride. I'm waiting until we reach 10,500 to start going, before I start getting into the next levels of resistance that we could be trying to beat. But I do want to point out that if 10,500, that will be the strongest resistance in the area. Anything above that is going to be child's play compared to actually breaking 10,500. Because above $10,000, we haven't really spent all that much time. If we go back in our price history here, we have from June. We have from June to probably October. We have not even a half year here above $10,000, and actually during a lot of that time we've made many dips below $10,500 here, so that wasn't even a solid case. And then the last time before that was the $20,000 peak. So we haven't spent much time above 10,500, so that means there's not going to be very much resistance once we break $10,500. So yeah, that means once we do break $10,500, the worst is over. as far as I can see. Oh, there's a futures gap up there, up at 11,000 something dollars. I forget exactly where, but people expect that futures gap to fill once we break $10,500, which I would imagine that it would, especially considering people are expecting the prices to go all the way up to 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, or whatever their forecasts are ranging. So yeah, $11,000 should be pretty simple to actually achieve, but we have to break $10,500 first. So yeah, like I said, if there's anything that you're going to get from this video, it's that you should be watching the $10,500 area, and anything below that is a good opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. Right now, it may not seem like it, but right now could be that once in a lifetime opportunity that is sitting right in front of you. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, personally, I would take it, but I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy on YouTube, so you should actually do your own research, like I tell you at the beginning of every one of my videos, like anybody else on the internet would tell you. Yeah, so I don't think I really have anything else to go over. $10,500, that is the level to watch. In the meantime, like I said, if we break this support, expect lower prices ahead, possibly leading down towards $8,000. So remember, $10,500. I think that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.